Hello friends, I am Miss Yvette at the Madera County Library, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIY project that you're going to be doing for the summer reading program. And what we're going to be doing is a galaxy jar, just like the one right here. And for this project, the materials that you're going to need is acrylic paint, glitter, a spoon, a stirring stick, cotton balls, water, a mason jar, or any jars that you may have at home, like this one. This one was an artichoke jar, so just make sure that you take off the wrapper so that you can see through your jar. So let's get started. So first, you're going to add a little bit of water on your jar, about this much, and then you want to pick the colors that you want to use in your galaxy jar. For mine, I'm going to use green. I was thinking blue, but no, I'll use green. And you're just going to add a couple of drops. And you want to stir it with the little stirring stick. And if you see that you want to add a little bit more acrylic paint, you can. Okay, so now I'm going to add the cotton balls. Your cotton balls, you kind of want to stretch them a little bit, and then you want to place them in the jar. Kind of like this. Okay? And then you just start dropping them in the jar. Okay, if you notice that your little cotton balls are not going down, you can use your stirring stick and you can poke them down, push them down. Okay, now what you want to do is grab your spoon and then you can add your glitter, and you're going to need about a spoonful of glitter. If you don't want to use the spoon, you don't have to. If you just want to pour in your glitter, you guys can. But I'm just going to use the spoon so that you guys can see what I'm doing, how much I'm putting on it, on the jar. Okay, you can stir the glitter, but you don't want to stir too much. Just kind of stir a little bit. Okay. Now you do the same process. You add a little bit of water more on your jar. Now, if you want to use a different color, I'm going to use blue. You can add your blue, put a couple of drops, and then you can stir. But this time, you don't want to stir too much. You just want to stir lightly. Okay. And then you grab more cotton balls, and you stretch them out, and you start pouring them in there in the jar. And then you can push the cotton balls with your stirring stick. And now I'm going to add a different color of glitter. I'm going to add gold for this one. You use your spoon again if you like, or you can just pour it in. And you can stir a little bit. And you repeat the process again. Add water. And you add paint. And I'm going to do blue again because I want the blue to show since we have more green. and you stir again. I think that's enough stirring. And you repeat the process of adding more cotton balls, stretching them out. I'm gonna push them in, poke them in the jar again, because they're okay. And I'm gonna add, I think this is gonna be the last step, and I think we're gonna fill up our jar. Add more water, just a little bit. Then we're gonna add paint. I'm gonna do more blue. And stir it. And I'm gonna add more cotton balls, and I think this should be it for our galaxy jar. Well, I forgot to add more glitter, but I'm gonna add green. I'm gonna stir a little bit. And I'm gonna add just a few cotton balls because I think I filled it up to the top already. Push down the cotton balls. Okay, now I'm going to close the jar because I'm done with it. So your final product is your galaxy jar. I hope that you guys have fun doing this project. Let us know if you guys liked it. Comment below, okay? Bye!